Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So let's dive in. Anyways guys, the end-to-end option on Messenger makes your chatting with people more secured, and it grants you the safety. Alright, so first you just need to go into Messenger, and then once you're in, what I want you to do is to go to this three vertical lines above and then click on them. And once you clicked on them, you just need to go into settings, right? And after that, you just need to scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Click on it and go to the end-to-end encrypted chats option. Alright, so once you are in, you just need to go first into security alerts, click on it, and then turn it on. Alright, so let's go back and then click on message storage. Alright, and let's read here: when messages are end-to-end encrypted, chat history is securely saved in the cloud so that you can restore it on the other devices. So let's make SafeKey in Google Drive on. Continue, and you need to finish the steps if you didn't set up your Google Drive on Messenger. And that's it guys. If you do these steps, it's enable the end-to-end encryption on your Messenger directly and automatically. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. That's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.